Do you know you can actually make massive income by implementing this simple strategy that I'm going to show you? You can actually use this method to make 10,000, 20, 30, 40, 50,000 every day if you are going to follow my strategy step by step without skipping this video. Please, I beg on your pardon not to skip this video because I'm going to show you step by step on how to make this money right here. You are not going anywhere. You are just going to stay in this app, this platform, and be making cool cash. Before I jump into this video, I am Crypto 001. What I do in this channel is that I promote or I bring to you any updates that is working, any crypto related updates such as exchanges arbitrage, triangular arbitrage, airdrop, trading, and the rest of crypto related terms. So if you like the kind of content that I'm dropping on this channel for you guys to make money, please do well to subscribe, like my video, and turn on the notification bell because you will be receiving updates like this every time, every day. So please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. That's the only way you can pay me back. Thank you very much because I'm going to be dropping updates like this every day. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the video of the day. Okay, what we want to do now is we want to buy from this first guy you are saying here. This guy is actually selling one USDT at the rate of 1,487 naira. So we are actually going to buy from this guy. So what you need to do now is you you can actually see the amount the guy is actually saying. He's actually selling from the limit of 20,000 to 1 million. Okay, let's say we want to use 1 million for this update. Now click on buy. Okay, let's insert 1 million naira. One 1 million naira. Okay, with our 1 million naira, we are going to get the sum of 672 USDT. So what we need to do now is to click on copy. Let's copy this and see if we are going to make profit. Okay, now go back to where we are going to sell, still on this platform. We are not going anywhere. We are still dealing on this platform. What you need to do now is you click on sell. Click on sell. Okay, as you can see, there's actually a guy that wants to buy our USDT as at the rate of 1,500 naira. So what we need to do now is you can see the payment method, palm pay, you can see opay, you can see Kuda. So what we need to do now is you click on sell. You can even see bank transfer safe. Now click on sell. Now put in the amount of USDT we have. That was 672.4. Okay, can you see with our 1 million naira we are able to make 8,600 naira profit just within 10 minutes. What I do is that once I buy from there, you come here and keep refreshing and wait. You will not even wait up to 20 minutes. You will see an offer. Very, you can see the style of that this guy is actually a verified merchant. This is how I do it. Just buy it and come back here and keep refreshing and keep refreshing. You will see a guy that actually going to buy your USD at a very good price. Remember, you got nothing to lose since you are the one selling to them. Once you buy it, since you are the one selling to them, you need to receive your money first in your local bank or any wallet you are using before you release your crypto. So just come here, keep refreshing, keep refreshing. So I keep refreshing till I come and see this guy that is selling that is buying one USD at the rate of 1,500 naira. So I sell to this guy. So you can see our profit now. We have made 8,600 naira. Imagine you implement this strategy like 5 or 10 times. Let's go to our calculator. On our calculator, our initial capital was 1 million. Okay, we made a profit of 1,08,600 naira. So 1,08,600 naira minus 1 million. That is a profit of 8,600 naira. Then 8,000, let's say 8,600 times 5 times, that is 43,000. Then let's say 43,000 times 30 days, you make a whooping sum of 1,290,000 every 30 days if you implement the same strategy I'm showing you. If this update helps you, or this is the kind of content, or this is the kind of update you like, please do well to subscribe. Thank you.